Hello, Launch Forth. My name is Kyle Rowe. I'm an advanced materials engineer here at Launch Forth. And I'd like to take a minute out of the day to talk to you about large-scale additive manufacturing and what we're currently using it for. And to help me do this, I've got a large-scale manufactured lower chassis to an ollie, which I'm sure you're all very familiar with. I think this really showcases sort of an intelligent use of large-scale additive manufacturing. You have this sort of lightweight truss structure. This was all one print and then was machined, and we've really leveraged large-scale additive to reduce part count, save weight, as well as assembly times, which also go into saving costs. Now this structure I'm really enthusiastic about because it uses additive where it needs to, and doesn't where it doesn't make sense. So large flat surfaces, we don't print those, we use panels and bond those in. Not to say that you couldn't, but there are a couple of things to keep in mind when you're using additive, such as any sort of unsupported overhang that is 45 degrees or more, so as measured from your bottom datum, is a safe angle to print. Anything below that tends to sag. It doesn't quite have enough support during the print process. As well as small features are difficult to print, but we can machine them in afterwards. So you can print a near net shape and then machine in your finer details, your locating surfaces, anything that you would need a machined tolerance on would be good to machine after the fact. And we have a wide array or palette of materials to choose from colors to different types of structural reinforcement, so we can really kind of tune the print whichever way it needs to go. So definitely use that information, be brave, and I can't wait to see your designs.